Okay, so this is the circuit which we are going to do, the realized SOP circuit. Now you can see that you need two NOT gates, two AND gates, one OR gate for this circuit. So you can use just one IC for the NOT gate 7404, one IC for AND gate 7408 and one IC for 7432, because in one NOT gate IC 7404 you will be having 6 NOT gates. In one 7408 IC you will be having 4 AND gates, and in one 7432 IC you will be having 4 OR gates. So you just need one 7404 IC, one 7408 IC and one 7432 IC. So here I have marked which pins I am going to use for this NOT gate, for this NOT gate, this AND gates, this OR gates and so on. That is what I have marked here. So you can see that in the NOT gate IC 7404, I am using pin 1 for this input B. Pin 2 is the output. The next NOT gate I am taking pin 3, output is pin 4. For these AND gates again I have marked. A is given to pin 1. Inputs are given to 1 and 2, output is taken from 3. So 1, 2, 3. This one again 4, 5, 6 for the second AND gate in the IC. Similarly, you need just one OR gate in 7432. You can take 1, 2 as the inputs and 3 as the output. So I have marked the pins required for this experiment. Okay, now we'll show how we are going to do about the connections. Here you can see the 5 volt fixed supply. You have taken the positive and negative terminals and you have connected it to the positive and negative of the breadboard. Okay, now we are going to place the ICs. You need 3 ICs, 7404, 7408 and 7432. And what you need to do next, you have to take the VCC and ground pins of each of the IC and connect it properly to VCC and to ground. So for each ICC you will be having VCC and ground pins connected properly. That is your next task. So here we have used color coding, like we have used red wires for connecting the VCC, that is pin 14s of all the ICs, and we have used black wires for connecting the grounds, that is pin 7 of all the ICs. Okay, so now we are going to give the inputs to the ICs. So here you can see that A input is given to pin 1 of 7408. That is what you are going to give. See, this is your 7408. You are using green wires for giving the inputs. So this is given to pin 1 of 7408. Now you need to give input B. It should be given to pin 1 of NOT gate 7404. So this is your 7404. You are connecting a green wire for input B to pin 1. This is your pin 1. This is your input B. Now you need to give C input. See here, it is given to pin 4 of 7408. So your second IC is the 7408. You are connecting to pin 4. Now you need one more input, input D. It is given to pin 3 of 7404. So this is your 7404. You are going to give it to pin 3. See this, again we have used color coding. You have used green wires for giving the inputs A, B, C and D. Okay, so now we have given all the inputs A, B, C and D. Now what you need to do? You need to give the connections between the gates. From this NOT gate to this AND gate, from this NOT gate to this AND gate, from the AND gates to the OR gate. So that is what we are going to do. So first let us see how we are going to connect the 7404 out to 2 of 7408. That is what you are going to do. See, you have taken a wire, white wire from pin 2 of NOT gate and given to pin 2 of AND gate. Okay, now we are going to take this pin 4 of NOT gate and giving to pin 5 of AND gate. That is what we are going to do. 7404 pin 4 to 7408 pin 5. Okay, we have used white wires for connecting between the gate ICs. Now we have two more connections. This one 7408 pin 3 to pin 1 of 7432. We have connected that. Now one more connection from pin 6 of 7408 to pin 2 of 7432. That is a fourth connection. See here, we have again used color coding. We have used white wires for the connection between the gates. Our last step in connection is giving the output resistance and LED. See here, you are going to take output as pin 3 of 7432. So you need to connect a resistor and LED to this side. That is what we are going to do. So your last IC is the 7432. Take a resistor from pin 3, connect it to some other point in the breadboard. From there you connect the LED. You are going to connect the LED to ground. Okay, now your entire connections are over. Now we need to check the truth table. So you know that this is our circuit. Your output equation is AB complement plus CD complement. Based on that, you have developed a truth table like this. So what you need to test is, you need to give the different input combinations and see whether the output is coming right according to the truth table. So it is actually a test on the truth table. So first, let us check the case. First case, A, B, C and D are all connected to ground. Let us test that case. Okay. Now you are going to test the truth table by giving the different inputs. See the first case, A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 0. Your output should be 0. LED should not glow. So your 4 green wires are the inputs. All should be connected to ground. That is what we are doing now. And then you switch on the supply. See, the LED has not glown. So your first case in the truth table is right. Now we'll test the second case. A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1. That case also your LED should not glow. So here your D connection has to be connected to VCC. D is 1. So which is your D? You look here. D is your pin 3 of 7404. That connection I am going to give to VCC. See that? We are going to VCC. And already the supply is on. See, the LED has again not glown. So the second condition in the truth table is also verified. Now we are going to test randomly another two cases. The case where ABCD combination is 1, 0, 0, 1. Your LED should glow. Okay. So now we have to connect A to VCC and D to VCC. D is already connected to VCC for the previous case. Now A is also connected to VCC. A, see here, where is A? It is pin 1 of 7408. Pin 1 is taken from 7408. It is connected to VCC. So two connections are given to VCC. You can see that your LED has glown. Output is 1. Now we will test one more case. This case. See here, 1, 0, 1, 1. Your output will be 1 again. So already your A and D is high. C also should be connected to 1. We can test that case. You can take C. Where is your C? 4 of 7408. Take 4 from 7408. Connect to VCC. Your LED again is on. So that case is also tested. Now we'll test one more case, the last case. Which is the last case? All your connections are ones. A, B, C, D all are ones. So already your A, C, D are connected to 1 or VCC. Now B also should be brought from ground to VCC. See, now your LED has turned off. that your case is correct, 1 1 1 1, your output should be 0. Now we have tested 4 to 5 combinations in the truth table. So this is your experiment, that is verification of SOP and POS. Here we have tested only the SOP expression. Okay, thank you.